Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I want to explain what is Youuchef. Youuchef is primarily made up of 5 areas. You have link baking, culinary cuisine connection, Youuchef travels, beneficial cooking and baking, and outdoor baking and cooking. Link baking is where I use one recipe from different baking categories. For example, let's say you have categories like bread, cakes, custard, and pastries. The role of link baking is to take one recipe from each category and make a bunch of different bake items from those recipes. So for example, I can take a custard recipe, which is eggs, milk, sugar, and flavoring, put that in an ice cream churner and make ice cream. Or if I put flour and baking powder into that same custard, I have now made pancakes. So that's primarily link baking. Culinary cuisine connection, it is more used in this way. Let's say you have a well-known traditional recipe that is done in your country. So in my country, I'm taking well-known recipes or dishes. And then I'm going to find recipes or dishes that are similar in maybe method or ingredients. What I have found, however, in culinary cuisine connection, they are linked, and one of the reasons for that was slavery. So stay tuned for that. Youuchef travels, on the other hand, is more used for, I would be in a specific country and I would go to specific places, and in that place I would give a historical background of the place, find ingredients from that place and make a dish from the ingredients that I have found. Beneficial cooking and baking is more of using gluten-free products and making dishes from that. So outdoor cooking and baking is more of going outside, obviously, and doing a bunch of things. So for example, I can bake a whole chicken in the ground, I can build a dirt oven and make bread. Also, I want to talk about Youuchef on this area too. My approach to these videos, my approach to the knowledge that I have gained is to pass it on to you all. Being a lecturer for some time, my ultimate joy is to see individuals receive information from me, whether in baking or cooking, and producing the items on their own. And finally, I would also have challenges in Youuchef. So for example, let's say I make apple pie. I would be challenging each person who wants to indulge themselves to make the same product using the recipes that I provided and the videos that you are able to learn from. So that's Youuchef. Give you all permission, all rights to go. Click on the videos, watch them, enjoy them, comment on them. Hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you can get more videos in baking and cooking. So come with me to have fun, gain knowledge, and produce products on your own.